Eminem Head Honcho featuring Isimil Official Audio. Ayan, so naka-upload syempre sa YouTube channel ni Eminem Music na merong 61.1 million subscribers. So hindi ko first time gumawa ng reaction video sa channel ni Eminem Music, so automatic nakapag-subscribe na po tayo rito. Okay, so hindi pa ako nakapag-like sa video, pero mamaya after nating panoorin, automatic like natin yung pinakang video nga po nila na to, no? Okay, so meron na po itong 2,666,451 views sa loob ng 4 na araw pa lamang. At mga repapis, eto maganda. Number 3 sa trending para sa musika. Wow. Alright, siyempre Eminem yan, tapos Isimil pa, diba? Ayan, so kung gusto mong panoorin ito ng dire-diretso, pumunta ka ng description sa baba, i-click mo yung link dyan para direct na makapunta ka sa video na to. Mapanood mo ng dire-diretso this time kasi reaction video, kaya ikakat-cut po natin to. Okay, so kung gusto mo rin ng gantong klaseng content, syempre wag mong kakalimutang i-like yung video na to, i-subscribe yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas po kung gantong klaseng reaction video. Okay, so wag na natin patagalan, play na po natin ang Eminem Head Honcho featuring Isimil Official Audio. Let's go.
Doing my best just to not blow my cover. Know it's all just a test, but I can't pass up this hunger. There's still a...
Pasok agad si Isimil, no? Si Isimil na boses to. Ay, kay Isimil na boses to sa intro pa lang. O, so lagyan to lang ito.
My best just to not blow my cover. Know it's all just a test, but I can't pass up this hunger. There's still a hole in my chest, and I'm trying to strap it with numbers. All you hoes got your checks, but I'm a queen when I run up. Cross a king with my hunters, shooting threes in abundance. Rookie G's acting thuggish, you pawns to me, shut the fuck up. Annihilation's what we love, steady hitting, getting dubs. Just wait till we get the guns out. 45 na kalibre o 9, ikaw na bahala sa dinami-rami mong mali. Utak mo lang may tama sa...
Eminem featuring Isimil, no? Binungaran tayo ni Isimil dito with English language, no? English, mga repapits. Pero biglang pinasok dito yung Tagalog na lingwahe, Isimil. So ibalik natin ng konti, ha. So first time tong mangyayari, or first time tong nangyari sa kanta ni Eminem, mga repapits. Ibalik natin ng konti.
Kalibre o 9, ikaw na bahala sa dinami-rami mong mali. Utak mo lang may tama, sakitid mo mag-isip, pare laka malang naban at naglalim-laliman. Ang sarap mong ilublob sa dagat. Di kailangan magpatunay sa sino man ang nakikinig. Di masasalag ng sentido o ng iyong bibig. Picture this, I might be a hero.
Mga repapits, di ba? Nalalim din ng mga Isimil, what a Isimil. Head Honcho, no? Eminem Head Honcho featuring Isimil, di ba? Featuring si Isimil, pero nasa unang-una siya ng verse, no? Unang nag-verse. Di ba? Nasanay tayo na pagka-featuring yan, kundi magko-chorus lang yan, yan ay magda last verse, since siya yung pinakang featuring. Pero this time siya yung nasa intro, siya yung una. Tapos ang maganda pa rito, nagtagalog si Isimil sa kanta ni Eminem. First time to in history sa kanta ni Eminem na may nagtagalog, no? Na may kumanta ng Tagalog version or nagtagalog na lingwahe. Di ba? Salute Isimil. Suwabe yun. Let's go.
Kinig, di masasalag ng sentido o ng iyong bibig. Picture this, I might be a hero to your little kid, or a villain, either way I'm the fucking head honcho. Money come from my flow, the clip a lead blanco. Get the bread pronto, yeah I'm the head honcho. Money come from my flow, clip a lead blanco. Then get the bread pronto.
Di ba, mga repapis, no? Yung gantong flow, alam natin yan, flow ni Isimil yan, pero maihahawig mo talaga, maiaano mo, na talagang parang si Eminem din yung nagpo-flow, repapis, no? Yun yung napapansin ko dito kay Isimil. So let's go, tuloy natin to.
So money come from my flow, clip a lid blind, go then get the bread bronze. I got loose scripts, two grip, that's the shit I'm smooth with. I'm the new kid that these fathers...
Chorus na ba yun? Chorus na ba yun? So ito pangalawang verse na ba to? Pero hindi, I think parang hindi pa.
Loose scripts, two grip, that's the shit I'm smooth with. I'm the new kid that these fathers can't fool with. Shit, my new slips are tighter than how these boots fit. I got that new drip that drown Titanic or cruise ships. Don't you dip and dabble too close, just watch us from a distance. I don't fuck with all that glucose, you falling need assistance. I could do the same, but who knows? I'd rather say good riddance, Jack the Ripper, ripping paroles, annihilate with persistence to try to say.
Angas ng flowing talaga nito, Isimil, no? The Death of Slim Shady, no? Couple de Grace. So ito yung album ni ni Eminem, no? Na The Death of Slim Shady. So pasok yung Head Honcho featuring Easy Mill dito nga po sa album ni Eminem. So ito yun. So, sabi ko lang, no? Let's go to dito.
I'd rather say get riddance, Jack the Ripper, ripping paroles, annihilate with persistence. I try to say something different, but by today I'm just spitting to rock, making a living. But mama say that I'm different. She proud of how I do business. I kinda resemble Hitman. They got away from the killing. I'm the head honcho.
Bagsakan yung flow pero Repapis talaga nakaka-hype, no? Pag kinanta ng live to, matik Repapis gaganon ka, no? Gantong-ganto yung flowing talaga ni Eminem. So hindi na bago yon mula nung noon pa lang. Eminem style din talaga.
They call me the boss though. You can call me Marshall.
Yun si Eminem yun.
You relate to me, guess you never been angry as
hey.
Or maybe just have never had to face any adversity. Take any ass whippings I basically had to see some shit that it make you faint like you're faking a jab. Bitch, you wish you had a life like mine. You just fantasize the shit you write. You guys like lying.
Pasensya na mga Repapits, hindi ko nabibigyan ng hihimay yung lyrics, no? Siyempre English, so mahina po ako sa English. Pasensya na po. Sa pag-intindi ng lalo't malalalim yung English nito, so hindi natin mahihimay. Pasensya na po. Inaamin ko po yun. So dun lang ako sa vibes at saka sa flowing, dun sa pinaka-rap skill nila sa flowing. Yun lang. Let's go.
Bitch, you wish you had a life like mine. You just fantasize the shit you write. You guys like lying. Everything you ever been through multiplied by 9. Ain't even half the shit I went through by the time I was 5. Like what? Saw my uncle get stabbed, took a knife right in the abs, and all he was trying to do was get my tricycle back. Yeah, the one that Boogie, Malcolm, and Isaac just jacked. After they jumped me and stumped me and hit me twice with a bat. Was 5 and...
Pag narinig mo talaga yung gantong flow, masasabi mong Eminem talaga, no? Kasi talagang hindi nababago yung mga flowing, yung yung rap style, no, ni Eminem, talagang gantong-ganto mula noon pa, no. Pinakikinggan ko niyan si Eminem nung 2000, mga ganon. 2000, 2001, yan. Kasabayan niyan si Nelly, syempre idol ko rin si Nelly. Parang nagkaroon sila parang ng parang gano'n, no? Magkakasabay kong pinapakinggan yan si Eminem at saka si Nelly. So hindi na bago si Eminem hindi na bago yung flow ni Eminem, no? So kung ano siya noon nga, inulit ko lang kung ano yung noon, ganun na ganun pa rin hanggang ngayon, no? So yung boses talagang ganun pa rin, no? Di ba? Let's go.
Malcolm and Isaac just jacked. After they jumped me and stumped me and hit me twice with a bat. Was 5 and a half. Second time I survived an attack. 2 twins, they called themselves the Bulldogs. White kids and fat. I was too frightened to scrap. I didn't fight or hit back. And you wonder why is it that I treat a mic like a gat. When I pull it, a bullet from out a barrel the size of a Derringer flies. That's how I would characterize lyrics. But America, I could see the fear in your eyes. You saw my terrible side. The blonde hair and blue eyes. Now the right.
Dire-diretso yung flow nun, no? Di ba?
Could see the fear in your eyes. You saw my terrible side, the blonde hair and blue eyes. Now the writing is on the wall like graffiti still. If you're having trouble reading, will make it simple. He's Easy Gill, easy name to remember, cause his rap name is the same. It's like 10 minutes on stages for me. Easy Mill, or should I say Measly Mill? Yeah, cause it sure as Ma used to feed me sleeping pills to keep me sleepy still.
Nag-off ba yung beat, ha? Nag-off yung beat. Repapits, pasok.
I say Measly Mill. Yeah, cause it sure as Ma used to feed me sleeping pills to keep me sleepy still. It was creepy cause Nietzsche could have easily Casey Anthony'd me. These rappers, I'm above them, but punching down ain't beneath me. Cold as the wind chill factor, but the fact is I don't know.
Whoa, pumipilantik pa. Tangtis, ah.
I'm above them, but punching down ain't beneath me. Cold as the wind chill factor, but the fact is I don't know when to chill. But every time I come out, they expect me to fucking reinvent the wheel. Rappers get praised for spitting bars with less than a tenth of skill. Imbecile on the ledge like a benzo pill on the windowsill. Now canceled ain't the word for me. You need a term that's probably stronger than dirty laundry. This controversy got me in the worst of quandaries. Feel like the Earth's axis, the world's turning on me. Like them cops in Akron, Ohio, with Jalen Walker. Ain't caught this much flack in a while since back as a child. And all I did was say like one thing bad, then it spiraled. Saw you cracking a smile, then relapsed in a mild ways back in the vial. Guess there ain't no civilizing a savage, and I don't give a fuck if you hate me worse than these track on revival. Bitch, I'm back like a spinal, get it cracking like Kairos. It's the coup de grace, I'm cruder than removing claws from a cougar's paws and throwing it back in the wild. But you taming me ain't gonna happen, and I'll live live on planet denial for the rest of my life, but you'll be a stand till I die though.
Hey, Head Honcho featuring Easy Meal, Eminem, mga repapis, no? Diba? Kung siguro na ano to, no? Inaamin ko talaga hindi ko nahimay yung pinakang lyrics, no? Pero diba syempre, solid yung tandem, no? Solid yung pinakang collab na to, no? From Eminem at Easy Meal, no? So masasabi ko syempre talagang Eminem, ano yan, talagang GOAT talaga yan, no? Talagang legend na yan, no? Kumbaga legend na yan si Eminem. So masasabi nating proud Filipino kasi nga andito si Easy Meal na kung saan is nagtagalog pa nga po sa kanta ni Eminem. Di masasabi nating Easy Meal nakasama si Eminem. Wow, saan ka pa? Di ba? Nakaka-proud bilang Pilipino. Nagamit yung lingwahe natin sa kanta ng isang sikat sa buong mundo, which is nga po si Eminem. Diba? Salute Eminem and Easy Meal. Ayan, so kung gusto mong panoorin to ng dire-diretso mga repapit, na sa description yung pinaka-link, i-click mo yan para direkta makapunta ka sa video na to. Maparod mo ng dire-diretso this time kasi reaction video, kaya kinat-cut po natin to. Okay, so kung gusto mo rin ng gantong klaseng content, syempre wag mo kakalimutang i-like yung video na to, i-subscribe yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas po kung gantong klaseng reaction video. Hanggang sa muli, marami pong salamat. This is Dogs TV. Peace and I'm out. Yeah.